and I'm reppin' for Mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spices to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbang's the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food. Woo!
Family, welcome back to Mkbites. Well, over here we play with our food. All right, guys, we're gonna do what we do before we get started. You pray before I pray with mine. Let's do this. Amen, amen, amen. All right, guys. So today we will be doing a clam boil. All right. So I got this food from Juicy Tills. Once again, I would like to thank Johnson and Mariah for the wonderful service that they given me and all the great feedback that they give me about like their restaurant, like how they do things there, when they'll be like what time they open, what time they close, and like you guys, they was really amazing with the customer service. So if you guys are ever in Arkansas, please go to the restaurant and ask for Johnson and Mariah. I'm put the restaurant right here. I'm putting their names right here. All right, so y'all, let's go ahead and dig in and see how this tastes. With the sauce today, I got medium pig suey, and for the drink, I'm just gonna pour some beer in this glass cup. Okay, let's go ahead and get that. And they give me a lot of lemons, so I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on these clams real fast. Let's go ahead and get these ready. Too. Cheers. Let's go ahead and dig in. Anyone come out, y'all? Good. You got two in there. Let's see on that one. Nothing. Yep. seed in there. How many of you like clams? I think I like clams better than mussels. Got two in that one too. Oh, that's three now then. Good. Let's get back into it. It's good. So, if y'all had to choose in between mussels and clam, which one would y'all choose? That one fell out. Shell. Go. Yeah. That's it. Ooh. Ooh. Cheers. My hands are messing. There's nothing in there. Nothing. That's why some had like more than one. Ooh. Right here. Some piece of that potato. Ooh. I'm tapped out. Oh yeah. If you're in Arkansas, you want to go to Juicy Tails, the medium is on the hot side, but it's enjoyable. It's not like fiery hot. All right, you guys. So once again, I give juicy crabs. I would give it again. I'm sorry, Juicy Tails. I would give Juicy Tails. It's Mkbites approved. All right, you guys. We gonna do what we always do around this time. If you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. excuse to go.
MK and I'm reppin' for Mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spices to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbangs the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food.